Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue exercise 13.4 problems based on mean and variance. So first problem, find the mean number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. Here how many coins are tossed? 3 coins. So when a coin is tossed 3 times, when a coin is tossed 3 times, then what is sample space? When a coin is tossed 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So the 3 coins may show 3 heads, or head, head, tail, or head, tail, head, or tail, head, head, or head, tail, tail, or tail, head, tail, or tail, tail, head, or tail, tail, tail. So total number of sample points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of sample points are 8. Next, what is the random variable? Number of heads. So find the mean of number of heads. So here random variable x is the random variable denotes number of heads. Next, so if you observe this sample points triple H, number of heads are 3. Next, if you observe the random variable HHT, HTH, THH, HHT, HTH, THH, number of heads in every sample point is 2. Next, if you observe these 3 sample points X, HTT, THT and TTH, number of heads are 1. In this sample point number of heads are 1. In this sample points are number of heads are 1. In this sample point number of heads are 1. Next, if you observe the last sample point triple T, number of heads, random variable denotes number of heads are 0. So if you take a table for this random variable and probability distribution x, p of x, so here number of heads least are 0, highest are 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, probability of number of heads 0. How many sample points are there? Only one sample point out of 8. One sample point contains number of heads 0. Next, probability of what is x denotes? Number of heads 1. Probability of number of heads 1 means 1, 2, 3. 3 sample point contains 1 head. 1, 2, 3 out of 8. Next, number of heads 2. Probability of showing number of heads 2 is 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 8 sample point contains number of heads 2. Next, number of heads 3. Probability of number of heads 3. How many sample points are there? Only 1. 1 by 8. Next, mean. Mean is also called as expectation of x. E of x. So how to find E of x? 0 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 8. Then how much we will get mean value? 0 into 1 by 8, 0 plus 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3, 6. 6 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So LCM is 8. 3 plus 6 plus 3. 9 plus 6, 15 by 8. Therefore, mean. Sorry, this is 12. 12 by 8. 12 by 8 means 4 3s are 4 2s are 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Therefore, mean is equal to 1.5. Mean is also called as expectation of x. Next problem. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. If x denotes the number of sixes, find the expectation of x. Expectation of x means mean of x. So when 2 dice are thrown, that two dice may show either 1 1, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6 or 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Like this, total number of sample points are 36 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, 6 into 6, 36 sample points will come. Next, here what is random variable denotes? Given x is a random variable denotes number of sixes. So I am taking table to find the mean x p of x. So if you observe this sample point here, 6 is not there. Here also 6 is not there. 6 is not there. 6 is not there. So if you observe these sample points, so this 25 sample points, observe this 25 sample points, there is no 6. There is no 6. That means number of 6s are 0. Number of 6s are 0. Next, if you observe this sample points 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6. Next, 6 5, 6 4, 6 3, 6 1, 6 2. 1 2 3, 4 5, 6 7, 8 9, 10. So total 10 sample points if you observe. Here first die shows 6, second die shows 6. Sorry, first die shows 6. If you observe this sample points, here second die shows 6. That means with there one die is showing 6. Here if you observe the sample points, both dice are showing 6. So here number of 6s are 2. Here number of 6s in every sample point is 1. Here number of 6s in every sample point is 0. So with 0 sample points, how many, with 0 0 6s, how many sample points are there? Means 25 out of 36. 25 sample points contains 0 6s. Next, 1 6. 1 6 means 10. 10 sample point contains 1 6 out of 36. Next, with 2 6s. Only one sample point contains 2 6s out of 36. Next, so what we have to find? Expectation of x, E of x. This is also called as mean. So how to find the mean? 0 into 25 by 36 plus 1 into 10 by 36 plus 2 into 1 by 36. 1 by 36. So this is 0 into something 0 plus 1 into 10 by 36 is 10 by 36 plus 2 into 1 by 36 is 2 by 36. LCM is 36. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 3 is 36. So answer is 1 by 3. What is the mean of this? X denotes the number of 6s. 1 by 3. Next problem. Two numbers are selected at random without replacement from the first 6 positive integers. Let x denotes the larger of the two numbers separate. Find expectation of x or mean. So here two numbers are selected at random. Given two numbers are selected at random without replacement from the first 6 positive integers. From the first 6 positive integers. First 6 positive integers. That means from 1 2 3 4 5 6. From 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that means what is sample space for this? Means 1 comma 2 we can select it, because two numbers should be selected at random, any two numbers from the first 6 positive numbers. So I can select 1 comma 2, or 1 comma 3 or 1 comma 4 or 1 comma 5 or 1 comma 6. Similarly 2 comma 1 I can select, or 2 comma 2, sorry 2 comma 3 without replacement, that means repetition should not come. 2 comma 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6 or 3 1 I can select 3 1 or 3 2 or 3 4 or 3 5 or 3 6 or 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5 and 4 6 or 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, sorry 5 6. Next 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 5. 6 6 you should not take, because here without replacement condition is there. Without replacement means same number should not come. Two numbers should select out of 6 numbers. That means we can select either 1 2 or 1 3 or 1 4 or 1 5 or 1 6 or 2 1, 2 3, 2 4. So like this, how many sample points will come for this condition? N of s. N of s is equal to 30. 30. Next, let x denotes the larger of the two numbers. Let random variable x denotes larger of the two numbers. Larger of two numbers. So if I take x equal to 2, x equal to 2 means P of, what is probability of x equal to 2? That means probability of 2 or less than 2 is selected. Less than 2 is selected. Probability of 2 or less than 2 is selected means these two numbers will come. 2 or less than 2 means we can compare like this, P of 1 comma 2 or 2 comma 1. That means, so how many sample points are there? 2 out of 30. Next, P of x equal to 3. That means P probability of 3 or less than 3. Less than 3 is selected. Then P of, how can you compare? 3, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 1. See, that means 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. You can compare these 4 numbers out of 30. Next, similarly, probability of x equal to 4. That means probability of 4 or less than 4 is selected. Less than 4 numbers is selected. That means how you can compare 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, 4 3. See this 6. We can compare these 6 numbers. That means P of 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4. You can compare 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4. Next 4 comma 1. Next 4 comma 2. Next 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. Next. That means total how many sample points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 30. Next, probability of x equal to 5. That means probability of 5 or less than 5 is selected. Less than 5 is selected. So, how many sample points are there? Probability of 5 or less than 5 means you can compare 1 comma 5, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 5, 5 4. So these sample points will come. That means 1 comma 5, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 5 next 5 comma 1, next 5 comma 2, 5 3, 5 3, 5 4. So total how many sample points will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 sample points out of 30. Next, last one, P of x equal to 6. Probability of 6 or less than 6 is selected. Less than 6 is selected. Then probability of, so 6 less than 6 means 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6. Like this, how many sample points will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 comma 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 6, next 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, next 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 out of 36. 10 out of 30. If you add all these sample points, it should be equal to 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So now you can draw a table for this. X and P of x, random variable and probability distribution. So if you select 2, so how much you got? Probability distribution 2 by 30. Suppose if you select 3 and less than 3 is selected, 4 by 30. Next, if you select 4, 6 by 30. Next, if you select 5, then you got 8 by 30. If you select 6, then you get 10 by 30. So now, how to find mean? Mean means mean is equal to 2 into 2 by 30, 2 into 2 by 30 plus mean is also called as E of x, expectation of x. 2 into 2 by 30 plus 3 into 4 by 30 plus 4 into 6 by 30 plus 5 into 8 by 30 plus 6 into 10 by 30. So E of x is equal to 4 by 30 plus 12 by 30 plus 24 by 30 plus 40 by 30 plus 60 by 30. LCM is 30. 4 plus 12, 16. 16 plus 24. 16 plus 24, 40. 40 plus 40, 80. 80 plus 60, 140. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. Therefore, mean E of x is equal to 14 by 3. Next problem. Let x denotes the sum of the numbers obtained when 2 fair dice are rolled. Find the variance and standard deviation of x. When 2 dice are rolled, we know sample points are 36. What is x denotes here? Random variable. X denotes sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers obtained. Sum of the numbers obtained. So, if you take table for this x, P of x and P of x. So here minimum, if you observe this 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Maximum is 12. So from 2 to 12 sum will come 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So total 7 will come. So probability of What is random variable? Sum of the numbers is 2. So only one sample point contains sum 2. That means out of 36, only one sample point will give sum 1. Next, sum 2. Sorry, sum 2. Sum 3. Sum 3 means 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. So 2 sample points will give sum 3 out of 36. 2 by 36. Next, 4. 1 3, 2 2, 3 1. That means 3 sample points will give sum 4 out of 36. Next, sum 5. 1 4, 2 1 4, 2 3, 3 2, 4 1. 4 sample points will give sum 5 out of 36. Sum 6. Sum 6 means 1 5, 2 4, 3 3, 4 2 and 5 1. 1 2, 3 4 5. 5 sample points will give sum 6 out of 36. Next, sum 7. Sum 7 means 1 plus 6. 1 6, 2 5, 7, 3 4, 7, 4 3, 7, 5 2, 7, 6 1, 7, 1 2 3, 4 5 6. So 6 sample points will give sum 7 out of 36. Next, 8. Sum 8 means 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3, 6 2. That means 1 2 3 4 5. 5 sample points will give sum 8 out of 36. Sum 9. Sum 9 means 3 plus 6 9, 4 plus 5 9, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 3 9. 1 2 3 4. 4 sample points will give sum 9 out of 36. Next, sum 10 is 4 plus 6 10, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 4. So 3 sample points will give sum 10 out of 36. Next, 11. 5 plus 6 11, 6 plus 5 11. So total only 2 sample points will give sum 11 out of 36. Next, sum 12. Only 1 sample point will give sum 12 out of 36. Now, mean or expectation of x means 2 into 1 by 36 plus 3 into 2 by 36 plus 4 into 3 by 36 plus 5 into 4 by 36 plus 6 into 5 by 36 plus 7 into 6 into 5 by 36 plus 7 into 6 by 36 plus 8 into 5 by 36 plus 9 into 4 by 36, 9 into 4 by 36 plus 9 into 4 by 36. I am writing very small letters. Plus 10 into 3 by 36 plus here I am writing 11 into 2 by 36 plus 12 into 1 by 36. So total how much we will get? 2 by 36 plus 6 by 36. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 30, 40 plus 30, 70, 70 plus 42, plus 40, plus 36, plus 30, plus 22, plus 12. So 70 plus 42 plus 40 plus 36 plus 30 plus 22 plus 12 equal to 252. So total 252 by 36. So 12 3s are 12 2s are 24 plus 1. So 1 3 7s are. So mean is how much? 7. Mean how much we got? 7. Next. Therefore, how much we got mean value? Mean is equal to 7. Mean is equal to 7. Next. Variance. Variance is equal to formula sigma xi square into p of xi minus expectation e of x whole square. This is the formula for variance. So variance is equal to where, simply we will call it as where xi square means this is xi values, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. This is xi value, this is p of xi value. Xi square means 2 square into p of xi. That means 1 by 36 plus 3 square into 2 by 36 plus 4 square into 3 by 36 plus 5 square into 4 by 36 plus 6 square into 5 by 36 plus 7 square into 6 by 36 plus 8 square into 5 by 36 plus 9 square into 4 by 36 plus 10 square into 3 by 36 plus 11 square into 2 by 36 plus 12 square into 1 by 36 minus e of x whole square. That means e of x means nothing but mean, minus mean square. After simplifying this value, then you will get 35 by 6. This is the value of variance. So next, standard deviation. Standard deviation means nothing but root of variance. Root of 35 by 6. Root of 35 by 6 means approximately 2.415. 2.415 is the answer for this problem.